Hi, I'm Thomas from Troop 512, representing troopresource.org. Folding your SansBug is easy if you know the secret folding technique. First, I'll show you in real time how quickly and easily it can be done. Then I'll walk you through step by step. That was super easy. Now watch again and remember these 4 words that all begin with T. Tail, taco, tuck, and twist. I'm right-handed. If you are a lefty, adapt as necessary. First, I always start with the strap beneath me. This is what I call the tail, and just like a dog with its tail between its legs, this is where I start. This is optional, yet making things easy means keeping them consistent. Second, collect all the poles into your dominant hand. And then tip it up so it looks like a taco you are about to eat. It's a very large taco. Remember, you eat a taco sideways, not towards you or away from you. So hold it sideways in front of you. Next, using your left hand, grab the topmost pole and push it down as you kneel. Place your knee on the SansBug, at least in the middle of the canvas, and tuck the pole behind your knee to hold it in place. If your knee is too close to the edge, you will have difficulty with the next step. Next, I'm going to have the cameraman move behind me so that you can see this next instruction like you would actually see it. Next, with your left hand, grab the pole farthest from you, and with your right hand, grab the pole closest to you. Pull down and twist each slightly towards 12 o'clock. To compress the tent into a small circle. This is the twist part, like so. You are done. Just wrap it up with the elastic strap to keep it in place. So remember, tail, taco, tuck, and twist. If this video was useful, please click or tap the like button. I'm Thomas from Troop 512, and this video was brought to you by troopresource.org. SansBugs are awesome!